Good morning, students. Now we are taking the topic excretory system. Human excretory system. Human excretory system. The main excretory organ is kidney. Main excretory organ is kidney. Kidney is present in our abdominal cavity. There are in a pairs. Pair means two. In each kidney is bean-shaped structure. There is a two type of blood vessels go inside and outside the kidney. One is artery, that is called as renal artery. Another one is called as renal vein. Renal artery give the kidney to give the blood, and renal veins to go outside to the kidney. The renal artery give the blood to the kidney, and the renal veins to collect the blood from the kidney to other parts. Kidney filter the blood to separate the nitrogen waste materials and blood. The purified blood goes into the blood vessel. The separated nitrogen waste like urea, uric acid, ammonia goes into the long tube that is called as ureter. The filtered nitrogen waste is collected from the tube is called as ureter. The ureter is a long tube that is present in between the urinary bladder and kidney. The separated nitrogen waste goes into the ureter and then collected into a bag-like structure that is called as urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a temporary storage of urine. In a time, it should be opened in a wall and goes outside in our body. The opening of the ureter is called as urethra. That is a basic structure of our kidney. Okay, students, let us see the structure of kidney. Kidney is bean-shaped. Kidney is which shaped? Bean-shaped. That is, bean means beans. Bean-shaped organs in reddish brown in color. The kidneys are on either side. One is left side, another one is right side. From the vertebral column into the abdominal cavity. Before the abdominal column, it is present in abdominal cavity. It is attached to the dorsal body wall. It is attached to the left side dorsal wall and the right side dorsal wall. The right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. The right kidney is lower side, the left kidney is upper side. Because the right side of the stomach is fully takes up, liver takes much place either than the right side. So the right side kidney is slightly lower. Each kidney is 11 cm long. Each kidney is length of the kidney is 11 cm long and 5 cm wide and 3 cm thick. Thick is the major part of the wide is called as thick. The kidney is covered by a layer of fibrous connective tissue. Each kidney is covered by a fibrous connective tissue and renal capsule. That is the tissue that is called as renal capsules. Then adipose tissue, capsule and the fibrous membrane. The three layers covered by our kidney. Internal means internal structure. That the kidney consists of the outer dark region and the cortex region and the inner lighter region. There are three major regions present. The outer region is called as cortex. The inner region is called as medulla. These regions contain uriniferous tubules or nephrons. These areas, the uriniferous tubes or nephrons present in our kidney. In medulla part of the kidney have multitubular conical mass-like structure that is called as medullary pyramids or renal pyramids. Renal pyramids present in medulla part of our kidney. In this basis of adjacent cortex on the inner concave side of the kidney, notch is called as hilum. There is a hilum. The inner concave notch is called as hilum. That is the pyramid-like structure. Inside the pyramid there is a tube that is called as seminiferous tube or nephron. Nephron, these areas present, that is called as hilum. That is the opening of ureter tubes. Hilum present throughout which the blood vessels and nerves enters into the urine leaves out. This is the hilum region. These hilum regions, the blood vessels, nerves and ureters goes inner side and outside of the kidney. Next one is ureter. Ureter means there is a long tube-like structure that is called as ureter. Ureter is the thin muscular tube that is made up of thin-like structure. Thin means lacy. Thin muscular tubes emerging out from the hilum, that is produced which place? From the hilum, that is produced from hilum regions. The urine enters to the ureter. First from the kidney, the urine enters from the ureter, from the renal pelvis and conducted to the long ureter by peristaltic movements in its walls. Peristaltic movements means it is wave-like structure. The ureter can cause waves-like structure. Then only urine pass into ureter. The ureters carry the urine from the kidney to urinary bladder. Now kidney reached in urinary bladder. What is urinary bladder? Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure. Sac means a small bag-like structure. Small bag-like structure which lies in pelvic cavity. Pelvic means stomach. Below the stomach is called as pelvic regions. Of abdomen, it store urine in temporarily. The urinary bladder store in urine in temporarily. Next, urethra part. Urethra is the last part of our body. Urethra is a membranous tube which conducts the urine to excreta. Urine should be exposed to urethra part. The urethral sphincter keep the urethra closed, opens only in the time of mixed urination, that is called as urination. Urination means urine go outside the body is called as mixed urination. In the time of, then only it is opening. Here is a kidney structure, that is ureter. It is being shaped. The pyramids are present in medulla region, the outer cortex region, inner medulla region. It is a hilum part. The hilum parts, blood vessels, tubes and ureters go outside the kidney. The blood vessels should be inside, go and purified with separate from the blood and nitrogen waste. Purified blood again goes to in our body. The nitrogen waste materials are to release in the form of urine. Next, functions of our kidney. What are the functions of our kidney? Kidney maintains the fluid and electrolytes balance in our body. Kidney maintains the electrolytes balance. Balance should be balanced by electrolytes in our body. Next, to regulate the acid-base balance of the blood, it should be the blood pH is 7.4. Blood pH is 7.4. This should be maintained by our kidney. Blood pH is maintained by our kidney. It can maintain the osmotic pressure of blood. Kidney maintains the osmotic pressure of blood. Kidney helps to remain the important plasma constituents like glucose, amino acids. It should be plasma constituents like glucose and amino acids should be reabsorbed. Retain means reabsorbed. If you need the glucose and amino acids should be carried out from the urine. This is a function of our kidney. First function is kidney maintains the electrolyte balance in our blood. It also regulates the acid-base balance of our body. It maintains the osmotic pressure of our blood. It also glucose and amino acids should be retained when this is necessary. Okay, thank you students.